you want to build a loyal audience on X, you should stop thinking about followers and start thinking about building your community. In this video, I will show you guys step by step on how to build community on X. And I'm going to do this on mobile, by the way. The mobile app is already open. So in order to do this, you are going to gain a lot of things from influence, engagement, and even income. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you guys what community looks like. Now, here is a community, and this community has a lot of members, and you can see how active and also how many views they are getting on their post. Here is another community right here, and you can see how much views they are also getting. This is also another community. So you can go ahead and check all the existing communities, and you can clearly see the reason why I am emphasizing or why I want to teach you guys how to do this. So if you are ready to get started, let's go ahead and do it. So to create a community, click on the profile icon or the profile image, and then you go over to community section, click on community. Wait for that to load up, and you are going to see the plus icon right here on the top right hand area where the mouse is. Click on that, and now there are even more things that you can do. Now the things you can do right here is to put a community name, and next to it is your community purpose, and then if also you want this to be public or private or paid, and also leave an additional information for approval. So let me go ahead and give the community a name. I'm going to call this you know what? Let me leave that. I was thinking of the next word to put, but I couldn't figure out. Right, and then the next on the membership area, you can go ahead and click on this. So now you can either make your group public or you make it restricted. Make this restricted, and you also restrict this to only allow people to join strictly by invitation. But if you want it to be public, leave it public. I want this to be public because obviously this is just for tutorial purpose, nothing else. And then for the approval area or join approval area, ask a question. And then all right, once you're done, you click on save. There is a save link on the top area, so you click on that and it's going to save your community. And now you can go ahead and read more information about your community and everything. So once you're done, you click on got it. Now the next thing, I want to actually edit my community, adding the profile image and also making some other edits. So with that, we click on the gear icon. But then I am going to go back. The reason for going back is just so you guys don't think we are going to be making a mistake, or rather, just in case you made a mistake and you close the application, you reopen it. This is actually how to find your community. I have my reason for doing that because a lot of people might not actually know what happened. So they will now be looking for their community. So in case it took you to the home page, right, on the home page of the app, click on the profile area and then you go to your community. You are going to find it's going to be the top one, or rather the first one. You click on that. Now, when you click on this, gear icon for the admin settings. Now you can come over here. You can also make more changes right there. You can see admin log. You can see general settings, spam settings, and you can see how many members you have. And also, if you click on this, you can also invite more members by clicking on the top area right here, just this one. And then you can go ahead and search for people and then you invite them. So I do not want to invite anybody, but you know what? Let me go ahead and show you. So you can see, once you search the name, you can see. So I don't know the reason why you hide, but this is the person, which is me. I can just invite myself right here. This is another account I have. So you can invite people and then they will be able to join the group. But then I do not want to invite anybody right now because this is just a tutorial. And then you can also add or edit rules by clicking on this area. You add the rules. All of these rules are just there. You can just put a description. You can type on this description area and it's going to be seen. And also you can explore and share. Also, go ahead and do that. But then apart from that, you can click on the general settings and then you add your profile image. Now to add a profile image, really, I do not want to add any profile image, but let me just put a random image I have on my device. And then I'm going to say save. And then, right? Okay, save. All right. I have done that, I have saved it, and it's going to load up and it's going to update. Now, for some reason, most times when you do this, it might not update immediately. You might get a funny error message, but all you just need to do is to go back, and then come right back again and continue the settings. So most of the case that happened, but right now it did not happen and it looks okay. So the next thing to do, come back to the gear area or the settings area, click on that particular section also. Now you can also notice that if you want to be uploading adult content, you can enable this, right? And if you enable this, you are going to receive message that okay, this is adult content are allowed over here and stuff. And if you do not want that, you can toggle that off so that you off it. It is called NSFW. You can read more information about it. And then you can also click on the membership, which is also what I showed you guys in the beginning. You can also enable this by toggling it on and off. Toggle it on, make it invite only, or toggle it back off. And once you're done, you go ahead and save. But I think I want it to be public, so I'm just going to leave it that way. So you can also click on the topic to also choose what topic. This is going to help people to discover this easily. So you choose topics and then you save it up. So now after you have done that, people are going to be joining this particular community to contribute. So if this is good enough, let's say going to do sport, technology. You see, you can only select one. You can just go ahead and scroll to find anyone. So let me just leave technology and then hit save, right? And back out again. And then there is another settings for spam filter, right? Now, what spam filter does is probably if people are spamming the group, you can actually put up the filter that actually automatically remove the spam that is coming to the group. You can make this low. If you make it low, that means people can easily spam the group, the community, not group. I keep using group. But if you do it high, whenever people spam the group, immediately the AI is going to remove all of those things. And then what exactly do you consider spam keyword? Go ahead and choose the words that you consider to be spam, or rather type the word that you consider to be spam. Like, let's say, follow, right? If this is what you consider to be spam, you hit enter. Okay, I think because I added space, that's the reason why. So you hit go and then it's going to enter, and you type this, hit go, it's going to enter. These are all spam words. So anybody that use all of these is going to be seen as a spam. So you hit enter and then they all enter. And once you're done, you hit save, right? These are going to be considered as your spam word. And if you do not want that, you can always go ahead and delete them, and then you save it. So whatever you consider to be spam, put them in there, and then they are going to be considered to be spam whenever people post. And then also the rules, I have already been here before, and I'm going to say, right, and then hit save. So you put whatever description you want to be displayed, and then they are going to be displayed. So guys, that is all I want to share with you. And also another thing, if there are more rules that you want, you can see this plus icon right here, right? Hold on. You can see the plus icon on the bottom area, this icon right here. You can click on that and then you type a rule. Now let's say curse words, right? And I'm going to say, so just put whatever curse word that you want and they are going to be displayed. And you can see it is now added. So you can go ahead and add even more rules that you want and they are going to be displayed. So guys, this is all I want to share with you in this video. If you have further question regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I am going to go through it and I'm going to respond back to you. So stay safe and see you on the next one. Also, you can go to the About area and then you edit the About section of your community. So it's that easy. You can see this is the About area. This is where you put everything you want and everything you want to appear. So I hope this is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and trust. And thank you for watching this video. This is not an AI. This is me, trust. Although I'm not showing my face. So see you guys on the next one.